These vlogs should just be called Crow, shouldn't they?
Really, but I just like having a look.
Little motions. It's caught on. When in need. Click on the app. There we go. We're ready to rock.